What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the spare tire cover on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1aauto.com. Now on the back side of this cover, there's a zipper right here. If the zipper is way down there, you're going to want to grab the cover and try to twist it a little bit, although it's not really that easy. But try to grab the zipper. Unzip the zipper. With that unzipped, you should be able to peel back this part of the cover a little bit. Just grab the cover, grab from underneath it, slide it out from the tire. Work it back and forth. And eventually, I'm able to pull this off. Just like that. And there's the cover. So the back side, we want the zipper part at the top of the tire and the sewn part at the bottom. So just slide the bottom part in first. And then just try to pull this over. Just like that. You can actually open the tailgate, and then you can grab it from the bottom and try to slip it on a little bit more. Push that over. Now this zipper is a little bit messed up on this one, but normally the zipper is out there. Once that's in position, looks pretty good. Make sure that bottom's around the tire. Now we can take this part and start zipping it. That's what holds the tire cover on, is the zipper. Obviously not this one. This one's not too good, but hopefully yours is better. There we go. It's good.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.